Oh my gosh. What is going on, you the tube? I'm filming on my iPad and I feel like I'm not so much in focus. Where's the focus? The lighting's weird. I'm in my bedroom. Aslan. And I also don't have a way to hook up my mic. So if I'm blurry, if it's weird, I'm so sorry. Welcome back, or maybe I'm welcoming me back. Welcoming me back to my channel, which has been a very long time, but you got to start somewhere, right? I thought I would do this like grand, I'm back, and I started filming a lot of like B-roll so I could come back with something, but I haven't put it together. And I just thought I want to film something, and my Causebox came in the mail, and what better time to film something, because I want to open this box and I want to share it with you guys. So that's what I'm doing today. I am HotMessNessMua, otherwise known as Vanessa, and today that's what we're doing. We're going to open the Causebox because I haven't filmed a video in, I don't know, 3 months, something like that. I'm also suffering from the post-peel dramatic skin condition. I also thought I would go in a little bit too hard on a PMD, microdermabrasion, and I gave myself a hickey. Actually, I gave myself 2 hickeys. Very cute. I do not suggest you do that. But masking is a great time to play with modalities and chemical peels and all of those things safely. Don't be like me. All right, guys, we're getting into the Causebox. This is the Winter Edition 2021. And I just want to open up the box, okay? All right, we start with a pamphlet of fun and all of the fun things that can come with it. We're just going to open it up, okay? We're going to open it up. And who cares who could have what and where? We're going to open up what I got. Cute little sticker, a postcard that I could send to somebody, like, I got this and you should too, I guess. I don't know. All right. I got the Rose and Fitzgerald Brushed Gold Kettle. By employing artisans and cooperatives, we aim to break the cycle of poverty and create sustainable job opportunities. So I'm just going to flip through and see if it tells me how much this thing is. $115 value for a wrap, not what I got. I got the kettle. I wanted the wrap. Oh well. Okay, so the kettle is a $98 value. I wanted the Thread and Simply Cozy Cloud Wrap. It's cashmere feel. No, not for you, Vanessa. You get a kettle. I see a lot of people post this stuff on like Mercari and they resell it. So maybe I'll find someone that wants to do a trade. And it's a little kettle. It's a kettle party of one. $98. That's cute. Little kettle. All right, so yes, I'm obviously disappointed that I did not get a cashmere feel like wrap, but petals are nice. It's just like the last time I got a glass tea infusey thingy, so it's like, how many tea infusey thingies does one person need? All right, this is Etude. That's all it says, Etude. Open it up. That's my baby. Huh. Yeah. Okay, I'm having a hard time with whatever this is. Oh, okay. It says it's a pillowcase. It's a bamboo pillowcase. So this must be great for my head. It gives me a 20% off if some of you out there need some bamboo bedding. It's Cause Sleep if you want to use that. Minimal packaging, sourced responsibly, and it feels very, very soft.
Uh-oh, you dropped something.
And it's gray. And gray is my jam right now. Gray is what I'm rocking. So let's see. Thank you, Azzy. So the pillowcase, it's a travel pillowcase. It is a $25 value. I could have gotten that or slouchy socks. That's 0 for 2, Causebox. Maybe they should do a questionnaire because I would have picked the slouchy socks, not a travel pillowcase. I don't travel much, although I have been. We've been doing some fun things that we've never done before. Oh, I got some little gold hoop earrings. Those are cute, right? Is that how close I should be? I feel like that's too close for you guys. Okay, the little gold earrings are a $38 value. They're from Sanctuary Project. Spruce up your Zoom call look with Sanctuary Project, a nonprofit social enterprise providing employment to survivors of trafficking, violence, and addiction. That's super cool. So those are little earrings. Aslan, no sound, please. I also got a toner. This is from Skin & Co. It is Truffle Therapy. I think everybody got this. Yeah. $30 value, gentle and refreshing. This isn't your average toner, made with extracts like witch hazel, truffle, rosemary. This toner removes bacteria and cleanses your skin naturally.
Why would they kick us?
But what is it? Vegan and cruelty-free. So there's that. I look crazy. So I look like a crazy person. I need to change the lighting. I know. You just got to start somewhere, you know? Then we'll fix it from there. Water, witch hazel, sage, lemon peel extract. That's not so good, but we'll see. Could always be gifted. This is a peony foot mask. Green tea, apple, and, excuse me, green tea, apple, and peony root extract. I believe that this is one of those that possibly peels. Maybe it just makes them soft. It's got a little strap. Let's see. Give your toes some much needed TLC. Ingredients like licorice and ginger root smooth and spoil your feet, helping to restore and nourish your soles. It is a Korean product, which we love that. $45 value. That's expensive. So once I actually opened the package, I realized that there were 5 inside, making it not so pricey. $40, 5 of them for your feet. A little bit luxury, but you know, not crazy. Some silicone baking mats. Let's see. So you could have either gotten the baking sheets or reusable zip pouches. I got the baking sheets. It saves an average of 18 rolls of baking paper. I don't use baking paper, but okay. $18 value. That's interesting. All right, so that was the box. As you can see, I'm not as enthused as I was for the last one. Probably because there were so many cool things as the options that I would have much rather had. I would have much rather had a wrap. I would have much rather had zippy pouches. You know, everybody got the toner. The earrings was good. I'm glad that they picked that for me. But then slouchy socks versus a pillowcase. Foot masks over a planner. I'm glad I got the masks over a planner because I got my own planner and I don't need somebody else's planner, you know? So, anywho, sometimes the things surprise me where I'm like, oh, I would have rather, and then I end up loving some of the products. So that is my Causebox for the month of, or the winter edition, I believe. I gotta put on the earrings, you know, gotta feel somewhat about this. Sometimes what happens is you drop your earring on the floor. Dang it!
Why can't I be a good YouTuber and do things the right way?
I can't do it. Well, let's just pretend. I can do it. We're not allowed to say can't, can we? Oh, those are so cute, right? So cute.
Can I see?
You want to see? I gotta find an earring.
saw it.
Oh, you could see it from where you're at. So what I was trying to say is sometimes the products surprise me. Like I'll end up getting stuff and I'm like, I wish I would have gotten, and then I end up loving things. So I still enjoy this box. I could pay for all at once and then you get to pick what you want, but it's a hard price point to be like, sometimes it's hard to just bite $150 some odd dollars all at once, you know, where you're like, oh, it's only $45 or $50 or whatever. So anywho, My lashes are getting stuck. It is so good to see you guys again. I want to jump into this again. Sometimes you have to just start somewhere. And for me, it was starting with something small. And then I'm hoping to edit a little bit of how my life has been for the past year, because I have been capturing it in little ways here and there. So yeah, it is what it is. We'll see if it happens. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. And we'll chat again very soon. Mwah. Bye. If you've made it this far, then subscribe. And here's more videos you can watch over here, or over here, or over here. Click them. Click them all.